नारी शक्ति सिर्फ एक फ्रेज नहीं है, बल्कि एक आईना है भारत में महिलाओं की बदलती तस्वीर का। Under the visionary leadership of PM Narendra Modi, the focus has shifted from women development to women-led development. But did you know how Nari Shakti has gotten even stronger in the last 11 years? Let's find out in this video. प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना और प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना जैसी मोदी सरकार की फ्लैगशिप स्कीम्स की सबसे बड़ी लाभार्थी महिलाएं ही हैं। Thanks to these schemes, women have experienced freedom from financial dependency and day-to-day drudgery. वहीं दूसरी ओर प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना की बदौलत भारत में बैंक्ड वुमेन का परसेंटेज बढ़ा है। This has given a major fillip to female financial literacy and empowerment in India. Now let's take you through some facts and figures to help you understand how Nari Shakti has become a force to reckon with. Key programs like Mission Shakti have supported 10.61 lakh women through one-stop centers (OSCs), while the Women Helpline has assisted lakhs of women in distress. बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ ने सेक्स रेशियो एट बर्थ में सुधार लाने में योगदान दिया है। जो आंकड़ा 2014-15 में 918 होता था, वो 2023-24 में 930 तक पहुंच गया है। Gross enrollment ratio of girls in secondary schools has also risen from 75.51% to 78% in the same period. Moving on, लड़कियां पढ़ लिखकर सिर्फ जॉब या घर का काम ही नहीं कर रही हैं, वो एंटरप्रेन्योर बनकर दूसरों को भी काम दे रही हैं। और ये हो पा रहा है प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना की बदौलत। As of November 2023, 69% of the total 44.46 crore loans sanctioned under the scheme have been sanctioned to women. This includes over 3.5 crore women entrepreneurs who have availed Mudra loans. And under Stand Up India, out of 2.09 lakh loans sanctioned, 1.77 lakh, which is 84% of the total loans, have been sanctioned to women entrepreneurs. यही नहीं, मोदी गवर्नमेंट वर्किंग वुमेन को हर संभव सपोर्ट कर रही है। Sakhi Niwas provides secure accommodation for working women and Palna ensures daycare support. Not just this, there is a heightened focus on women health. Maternal mortality rate (MMR) has dropped from 130 per lakh live births in 2014-16 to 97 in 2018-20. मिशन सक्षम आंगनवाड़ी और पोषण 2.0 9.88 करोड़ बेनिफिशियरीज को सपोर्ट करते हैं। 6.77 lakh आंगनवाड़ी centers have their own buildings, 9.93 lakh AWCs have functional toilets, and 12.31 lakh AWCs have drinking water access. Under the Modi government, it's not just about women empowerment, but it's about Nari Shakti leading the way forward. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family.